Hello, hi everyone. So today we are going to deal with the another problem statement which is based on the Python string and list combination. And here what we have to find it out that I have already mentioned few of the examples here, but even though I will explain it first that what's the problem statement, and also we will look into that how we are going to solve it. So the problem statement is that we have to find it out that how what is the longest prefix from a given list of string. Okay, and once I say that longest prefix in the given list of string, that holds an information. If I will look into this one, and I'm taking this example because I can directly write the code, but it's better to understand it first, that how we are going to achieve it. Then writing the code is the bare minimum task. Okay, so let's understand it first. So suppose we are having this. Now, don't think in the Python way right now. Just think that how you will find it out that what is the longest prefix, and common prefix means what are those characters which is available in each of the string here. And prefix, once we say prefix, the only which is starting from the scratch. So suppose I will look into it here, so I can clearly say interview, internal or interval. In each and every character word we are having inter is the longest prefix. But do you think that this is the only four words here and we have just seen it and we have told it out? But what if we have the list is very huge, and majorly that how the computer will understand, that how we will going to tell computer that by if you go with this logic, then you can say that yes, this is the something which is common in every each and every word, common prefix. So can we do it in this way that if we will check each and every character I, okay, let's check first I. If I is available in this one and this one, yes, I is available in both. Then let's check if N is available in both at the second place. Yes, N is available here, N is available here. Yes, right, N here. Then let's check T is available in both. Yes, T is here. T is here again. Yes, T is here. Then check for E. E is available here. E is available here as well. So E. Then check for R. R is available here and R is available here as well. So right, sorry, my bad. Right here R as well. Then check for V. V is available here, but V is not available here. Means our in the first two words we have the enter is the common prefix in the first two words. But now we have to check the same thing with our the third one. So now let's check if the from now we are going to check with this word and this word. These two we have already done. So we are not dealing with this one anymore. Now we have to check with these two. So we can clearly say yes, INTER is available here, INTER is available here as well. And we will go character by character, but just for the sake of time, I'm just writing it in a one go. Now these three things already have done. Now check with the fourth one. Yes, enter is also available here, right? Now, whatever the minimum value we will get, minimum means the length of these characters. Whatever is the minimum, that is something is the longest common prefix for us. But here in this example, we are having only inter, that is the longest common prefix. There is no the all length of each and every string is same. That's why we cannot illustrate it more here. But let's take another example with this one. Flower, 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 flow, fight. Where's my notepad? Here. Now let's check with this one. We are having here flower, flow, flight. Okay. Now let's check what is the common prefix we are having in the first two characters. Yes, F is the first available here and also available here. Yes, F is here. Then check with L. Yes, L is here. L is here. Yes, L is here. O is here. Yes, O is here. Great, we have found. Then W is here and W is here. Yes, great. Then E is here, but here it ends. So we have the common prefix in the first two words are flow. Now let's check with this one, with the third word, that what is the common prefix there. Yes, F is available here and here is F as well. Yes, F is here. Then check with L. Yes, L is here. L is here. Let's write L here. Then O is here, but see, here we are getting I, which suggests that O is not available here, right? So we have the FL. Now our longest common prefix is the min of flow and FL. So what I will get FL. So if we will go with this approach, so I am thinking that we can find the solution of finding the longest common prefix, and that is something which can help us in the writing of the Python code as well. So now, without wasting any time, let's write the Python code for the better understanding of it. Yeah. So let's open a new cell and let's write the code here. So I am going to write this code in a function based with the help of function. So let's start writing dev. Just give a name as long prefix and give it a parameter which we need. I'm giving it as a test string. Okay. Now let's check what if we will have only a single character. Right here we have only a single word is available here. In that case, how it will check with the another word, then our code can fail. So let's check with that scenario first, and let's write the code for that part. If length of test string equals to 1, then return, because in a single word the common prefix is the all over, right? So what I will do, I will just mention here, or we can mention uh, there is only one string is available, so there is no any common prefix. Okay. Now else, if it is not a, if the length of the testing is not 1, then what we will do, wait, we have to handle one more scenario. If what if it's empty, so if 0, again return, please provide at least two strings to get the common prefix. Okay, now we have handled these two scenarios, right? Now, what if we will write here else? And now what we have to do, as I have already mentioned in my notepad, that we have to traverse with one by one word. So we have to write the code, we have to write the loop now. And how we can write the loop? That how many, what is the length of this list, right? So to get the length of this list, what we will do, just mention in this way. I'm just giving a name as size equals to length of test string, and then I'm giving it -1 because length it will give me that, and -1 because I need the it needs to be not give me any error, and it will throw error if I will take the length because it starts from the 0 now. And I'm taking a list here to append our actual which I have told you that we will found the one by one character, we will find it out. So appending those characters, I'm just creating a list here. And now to find the characters, just write the for loop. So for I in range starting from 0 to size, and I am now creating a variable m is equals to 0 because that is something which needs to be increased each and every loop, and I will tell you why I am requiring that part just in the next two lines, might be. Okay, now here we have found it out. Now we have to take the length of a string. Length of a string, what I mean to say, you will think that already we have taken that length of testing. So why we have created the length of a string once more variable here. So now what I am trying to get the minimum of test string I and test string I plus 1. Now you will understand it what I have done here. I have given here flower, suppose flower and flow. Okay, these two values I have given right now. And what I am taking length of a string, whatever is minimum. So minimum is flow. Because why I will compute for the flower. Once I am already having the four characters here. Here we are having six characters. So why I will do the six times iteration. I will just only do the four time iteration. So I have just taken the four, means that's what I am taking it here. And then what I will do, I will just write while my m lesser than length of what? Length string, yeah, and length string m is lesser than length of string 0 and 4, and yeah, 0 less than 4, and test string of I means flower, then its value m. Now you will understand why we have initiated here m as 0, means as the first value for the in the flower f is equals to test string I plus 1, and then m. I plus 1 means flower, flow is first character f. So m should be lesser than length string, and test string of m means f should be equals to f. Then what it will do, go there and initiate m plus equals to 1 is exactly the same thing which we will write m equals to m plus 1, and then append n dot append m. Now we have appended m because till that time m is lesser than length of this and is matching. Till that it will get increased by 1. Once it get increased m plus 1, then what it will do, it will append n dot append m. So now we have a value here, means an integer is available here, because m you have already known, right? We have already initiated with the 0 and we are getting it incremented one by one. So whatever the value of m, means till that time it will get finding the matches. Till that time it's get incremented one by one, and then it will, that value we are going to store in the n. Now let's return test string 0, and then slicing I am doing here, min of n, whatever the value we are having here, and from this value whatever the minimum value we are having here, that is something which we are going to store here. Okay, and yeah, that is it. If n, I am writing if we will found n, else 0. Okay, now let's check. Print long prefix yeah, you can see enter is here, so enter is the longest prefix we are having. Now let's check each and everything very quickly. You will understand. I think I have explained the code in a very better way, so you should not have any problem to understand it. But even though if you will find any, just ping me in the comment. FL, yes, got it. It shouldn't have anything. So let's see what it throws here, because in this one we don't have any matching value. Yeah, it doesn't sends us anything. Okay, let's see what it suggests for the single, and at the same time we will check for the empty list as well. There is only one string is available, so there is no any common prefix. Yeah, expecting that only. Please provide at least two strings to get the common prefix. Great. Now let's check this one. Test. Great. The last one, it should not give anything, because here we have the case sensitive apple and appetizer. In the apple we have the uppercase letter, and in the appetizer we have the lowercase a. Let's see what it gives. Yeah, it doesn't give anything, and that is the expected one, because we don't have the any common prefix available here. So hope you will understand the each part of this logic. Also I have explained with the we have covered all the scenarios which should I think it should be in the code base. But even though you will try it from your end with some different way, but if you find any difficulties to understand this code, so let me know in the ping in the comment section. I will try to explain it, or I will try to answer your question. Also, there should be n number of ways to solve it out. So try it from your end. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Bye.